Good morning students, welcome back to Maths class. Have you all done your Maths homework? Yes. Take your Maths note. Let us check the solutions for previous day home assignment. Have you all got the correct answers? Yes. In the previous class, we have learnt about simplification of algebraic expressions, and based on that, we have done problems. In today's class, we are going to learn about challenging problems in simplification of algebraic expressions. Do you all like to solve challenging problems? Yes. Exercise 14.3 in your book, page number 145, 7th question. From the product of a square plus ab minus b square and ab minus 5, subtract a cube b minus a square b square minus 10. Let us solve this one. The first step, you have to find the product of a square plus ab minus b square and ab minus 5. And second step, from the step 1 answer, you have to subtract a cube b minus a square b square minus 10. Is it clear, children? Yes. Step 1, you have to find out the product of a square plus ab minus b square and ab minus 5. So this is your first step. A square plus ab minus b square into ab minus 5 is equal to, this bracket stands for multiplication. Multiply this a square with the second expression. So a square into ab minus 5. Now multiply this plus ab with the second expression plus ab into ab minus 5. Now multiply this minus b square with the second expression. So minus b square into ab minus 5. Now multiply this a square with the terms inside the bracket. So a square into ab is a power 2 plus 1 is 3. When it is in multiplication, we should add the powers. So a square into a is a cube b. Plus into minus is minus. A square into 5 is 5a square. Now multiply this ab with the terms inside the bracket. Plus ab into ab is plus a into a is a square, b into b is b square. Now plus into minus is minus, ab into 5 is 5ab. Multiply this minus b square with the terms inside the bracket. Minus b square into ab is minus into plus is minus, b square into ab is a, b power 2 plus 1 is 3. Minus b square into 5 is minus into minus plus, b square into 5 is 5b square. So these are all different terms. We cannot simplify this one further. So you can keep this one as such. Now we have to solve step 2. Here, from the product of a square plus b square minus b square and ab minus 5, we have to subtract a cube b minus a square b square minus 10. So this is nothing but step 1 answer. From the step 1 answer, you have to subtract this expression. So now your step 2 is step 1 answer, that is a cube b minus 5a square plus a square b square minus 5ab minus ab cube plus 5b square minus the second expression is a cube b minus a square b square minus 10. Write the first expression as such: a cube b minus 5a square plus a square b square minus 5ab minus ab cube plus 5b square. Now you have to remove the bracket and bring the minus sign inside the expression. Plus into minus is minus a cube b, minus into minus is plus a square b square, minus into minus is plus 10. Now this is plus a cube b and this is minus a cube b. So these two terms get cancelled. Minus 5a square, here plus a square b square and plus a square b square, which is equal to a square b square plus a square b square is 2a square b square minus 5ab minus ab cube plus 5b square plus 10. These are all different terms. We cannot simplify this one further. So your answer is minus 5a square plus 2a square b square minus 5ab minus ab cube plus 5b square plus 10. Is it clear, children? Yes. 8th question. Add the sum of m square n square plus 2mn minus 6 and 10mn plus 5 to the product of mn minus m minus 2 and mn minus n plus 6. Listen carefully, children. First step, you have to find the sum of m square n square plus 2mn minus 6 and 10mn plus 5. Step 2, you have to find the product of mn minus m minus 2 and mn minus n plus 6. Step 3, you should add the step 1 answer and step 2 answer. Is it clear? Yes, let us solve this one. Step 1. Sum of m square n square plus 2mn minus 6 and 10mn plus 5. M square n square plus 2mn minus 6 plus 10mn plus 5. Now this becomes m square n square plus 2mn and plus 10mn becomes 12mn. Here it is minus 6 and plus 5. When it is in two different signs, you should subtract and write the greater number sign. So here the difference between 6 and 5 is 1 and the greater number sign is negative. So this is minus 1. So this is step 1 answer. Step 2, product of mn minus m minus 2 and mn minus n plus 6. Here you should multiply these two expressions, mn minus m minus 2 into mn minus n plus 6. So this bracket stands for multiplication. Now multiply this mn with the second expression, mn into mn minus n plus 6. Now multiply this minus m with the second expression, minus m into mn minus n plus 6. Now multiply this minus 2 with the second expression, minus 2 into mn minus n plus 6. Now multiply this mn with the terms inside the bracket. So mn into mn is m into m is m square, n into n is n square. Mn into minus n, plus into minus is minus, mn into n is m, n into n is n square. The plus into plus is plus, mn into 6 is 6mn. Now multiply this minus m with the terms inside the bracket, minus m into plus mn, minus into plus is minus, m into mn is m into m is m square n. Now minus m into minus n, minus into minus is plus, m into n is mn, minus m into plus 6, minus into plus is minus, m into 6 is 6m. Now multiply this minus 2 with the terms inside the bracket, minus 2 into mn is minus 2mn, minus 2 into minus n is minus into minus plus, 2 into n is 2n, minus 2 into plus 6 is minus into plus minus, 2 6 are 12. Now which is equal to m square n square minus m n square. Here this is plus 6mn plus mn and this is minus 2mn. 6mn plus mn is 7mn, 7mn minus 2mn is plus 5mn, and write the remaining terms as such. We cannot simplify this one further, so this is step 2 answer. Now step 3. You should add step 1 plus step 2. Now step 1 answer is m square n square plus 12mn minus 1, and step 2 answer is plus m square n square minus m n square plus 5mn minus m square n minus 6m plus 2n minus 12, which is equal to m square n plus m square n square is equal to 2m square n square. Here this is plus 12mn and plus 5mn is equal to plus 17mn. Here it is minus m n square and this is minus m square n minus 6m plus 2n. Now here the constant terms are, Here it is minus 1 and it is minus 12, which is equal to minus 13. So your answer is 2m square n square plus 17mn minus mn square minus m square n minus 6m plus 2n minus 13. Is it clear, children? Yes. Students, you can copy down today's home assignment now. Thank you.